How to remove GoDaddy coming soon page. Here's how it works. You want to sign into your account, click on your name, and then go into My Products. From here, once we have the products page open, we will scroll down until we see Websites plus Marketing, and then you want to select whichever plan you use for your website. Here you can see the domain as well, and click on Manage. Once you select Manage, then this is going to open up a new page here. So we are just going to be patient. Okay, I'm going to refresh it just in case. And once this new page opens up, you want to scroll down here until you see your site, and you will click on Edit Website. Once you select Edit Website, then in order to remove the Coming Soon page, that page is only going to appear if your site is not published. So if you want to publish your website or you remove the Coming Soon page, you will click on Settings in the top right. And here, as you can see, my site is going to be published. I'm just going to unpublish it, and you will find the Publish button right here. And you just want to press it, and that is going to remove the Coming Soon page, and instead is gonna make your website go live. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I will see you next time.